Back like I said I would be.
Yes.
I'm a woman of my word at Que Lo Que Designs. I'm getting this gorgeous face crown that goes really well with my Medusa. This is the mother of pearl.
Yes, mother of pearl brings success and wealth. Bring in that money this year with whatever business you're starting. Then you got the turquoise lining the top and the bottom. Turquoise is good for bringing in friends, fortune to the home. It opens the third eye, opens the throat chakra, allows you to speak clearly, allows you to think clearly. You know what I'm saying? We got to bring that money in.
And
got
I'm
the
like,
white hall light on here with the moonstone. Good for
Moonstone.
calming the mind, connecting the feminine energy, and of course tiger's eye and amethyst for protection, harnessing that sun's energy and just like literally vibing, especially this Aquarius season. You know.
Yes, and I'm a gamer, so I'm definitely gonna need this to hold my joint for me while I'm gaming. So I don't know where these have been all my life, but I finally have them with me. Definitely check out Que Lo Que. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Joe.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell me about your outfit?
Yeah, sure. I was going for like kind of a wood fairy kind of
Ooh, I
vibe.
love that.
Thank you.
Where did you get your corset shirt?
I got it off Depop. There's like this girl on there and she collects corsets and skirts. Oh, that's also where I got the skirt from.
I love it. And your shoes.
Thank you.
Did you want to go ahead and give your Instagram a shout out?
Yeah, my Instagram is JomiGeo. And yeah, I just mainly post art on there. Not really
Okay,
my
cool. Can I
outfits.
see your rings as well?
Yes.
So pretty. Thank you
you.
so much. Have a beautiful day.
You too.
Hey, Emma.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell me about your outfit today?
Yeah. I guess about the shoes are Margiela Tabbies. Jeans are Chloe. T-shirt is vintage from Shop Handbook. It's the best vintage shop on Instagram. Jacket is vintage and bag is
Oh my
Balenciaga.
gosh, I love that bag. It looks
and
so
a
well.
little bit of Paco as well.
Yes, I wanted to get your jewelry as well and your ring.
Oh yeah. My nails aren't done, so.
No problem. I'll just get the rings. Thank you. And did you want to give your Instagram a shout out?
Yeah, it's Ammans. AMMANNS.
Thank you so very much. Have a beautiful day. Hi, what's your name?
Hello, I'm Eric Jess.
Nice to meet you. Please tell me about your outfit.
Yeah, this is Studio Nicholson, and this is Escalada. Yeah, Marnie.
I love the
Balenciaga.
texture in your shirt.
Yeah, it's a good one. I just got it.
Balenciaga, which one?
The boots, and then Marnie. And
Well, you
yeah.
look stunning, both of you. Do you have an Instagram?
Yeah, it's Eric Jess.
Eric Jess?
Yeah.
Thank you so very much. Have a beautiful day. Hey, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Zen.
Nice to meet you, Zen. Would you like to tell me about your outfit today?
Sure. Well, the skirts and the top are both from Forever 21. I don't remember exactly where I got the leggings, but I got them in Queens at Rico Center. The boots, Docks, I got them where I used to work.
Love them. The platform ones.
Of course.
And your jewelry?
My jewelry, this is actually, I got this off of Amazon. This was like some stainless steel.
Okay.
Yeah, like around $8. And this I bought from a friend. He has his own business.
Oh, I love it so much. And your rings. Let me look close up.
These I got on the street markets that there are on Broadway. They're pretty nice. They're gonna open back up around springtime. So can't wait for those, you know. Never can have
Awesome.
too much silver.
And what's your Instagram?
My Instagram is x.d.ira, A-Y-R-A.
Thank you so very much. Have a beautiful day. What's your name?
Charlie.
Nice to meet you. You're so
meet you too.
beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Can you tell me about your outfit today?
These are my old horseback riding boots that I literally just have since I was younger.
Oh, so you're a real cowgirl.
Yeah, I'm a real horse girl. Whoopsies. I thrifted this skirt, so I honestly pay like $5 or lower.
Nice.
I got this from someone in Tompkins. She
That
was
is so
sweet.
unique.
I know. I wish I remember her name because she's the coolest. Has the best shirts.
Yes,
They're all
I've
like
never
this.
seen anything like it.
It's so cool. And then I also got, I don't know where I got this, to be honest. I think I also thrifted this. This I got from Depop at Hardy Bag.
Whoa.
Right? I'm so obsessed with
Stunning.
it. And then I have my little Hello Kitty clip from Hawaii on it.
Yes, clip of the
Super
day.
cute. And yeah, that's it.
Let me get a close up of your jewelry if you don't
thank you.
mind. Where did you get it?
A man actually in this park gave it to me because he knew I was Native American, which is really cool.
I love that.
Right?
And
And
your
then-
rings, I want to see as
Oh,
well.
some of them are fake.
No problem.
But
no
it
problem.
happens, you know.
That's super cute. What's your Instagram?
At char, CHAR.BYRD, bird.
Thank you
that's
so
it.
very much. Have a beautiful day.
You too.
What's your name?
My name is Walter.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell me about your outfit today?
I have a vintage cardigan Comme des Garçons jacket, just a little wife beater. Some cargos and some vintage loafers.
Love the loafers. Where's your jewelry from?
This is it's two like vintage St. Christopher's medals.
Oh wow, stunning. And your Instagram?
It's at WXLTRO.
Thank you so much. You guys
course,
have a
thank
great
you.
one. Hi. So what's your name?
I'm Rob.
Nice to meet you. And this is your brand, your apparel.
Yes, yeah, the brand's called Cancel.
Cancel?
Canceled
Okay.
World, yeah.
And what's your Instagram?
So the Instagram is cncld.world.
All right. And the bag, is that your brand as well?
That's mine, everything is mine.
Love it.
Minus the sneakers, but yeah.
Of course. Thank you so very much.
Yeah, of
Have a great
course.
one. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Jade.
Nice to meet you. You look amazing.
Thank you.
Can you tell me about your outfit today?
So these are my grandmother's shoes.
Oh my gosh. What a unique color as well.
These pants, I thrifted them for $4.
Amazing.
Belt I got from Shein. This shirt was also my grandma's, and this bag I made.
Oh my goodness. I love your work. I have my eye on this bag right here, guys. Can I see your jewelry as well?
Yeah, I actually thrifted all of them from Washington Square Park.
I love it.
Thank you.
And what's your Instagram?
My Instagram is New York Girls with a Z.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you. Bro.
Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's gonna look even better when it's like fully developed, but I'm so happy you love it. I think it came out perfect. I'm gonna get a little bit more footage of your clothes as well for the vlog.
It has volunteer through the entire jean.
Oh my gosh, I'm just now feeling how thick this material is. Oh my gosh, look at that. A1 quality.
Yes. And then I made heels.
Oh my god, stop. I
one
love
of my
this.
crystals to stick the needle through so I could sew it myself.
Oh wow. Hold up, because I'm obsessing over this shirt as well.
Thank you.
How much is this shirt?
This was a one of one, so it's $100.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Thank you.
I absolutely love one of one. That's how you have to do it. That's how you have to do
Because
it.
then people also feel unique with having their own thing.
Exactly. Oh, and you got a puffer too.
Icy Baby.
Icy baby.
And that's whisper in my ear because the impact of the devil and angel whispering in her ear.
Oh my goodness, you're absolutely amazing. Thank you. I just bought these to support a local artist. I also just bought this. Like all my money goes to local artists now. I'm obsessing with everyone's art. It's just, I also really like 1-for-1 pieces, and these are both 1-for-1. But what's your name?
Angel.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell me about your outfit?
So I'm actually taking photos for Depop today. So
Nice.
these are both from Depop. This is vintage Chanel.
Oh, I love that shirt. Oh, it got even better. I didn't even
These
expect
70s
that.
trousers.
Yes. And the Rogue, I actually
yeah, Rogue.
went to her collaboration with Ian Alexander,
Oh,
their
really?
fashion show.
Yeah.
I did a YouTube video on their fashion show
Oh,
actually.
really?
Yeah.
Did you follow their TikTok?
Yeah, and
I'm the video editor.
oh, that's what's
Oh,
up.
one of them, yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, I did. I asked everyone who attended there about their outfit, and then I filmed the fashion show as well and
Oh,
made it a
really?
little vlog.
Oh, wait, that's
And what's
cool.
your Instagram?
AKA Kuji, C-U-J-I.
Awesome. And what's your name?
Hey, I'm Nico.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell me about your outfit today?
So I honestly have been really into just like a lot of neutral colors and the all black and pops of color.
Yeah.
I got this at EVDC, which is this vintage store, and I actually got like a matching skirt with it. It's like a vintage blazer, probably from the early 80s. Super into the yellow, got a lot of
Yes,
stuff on
it goes
sale.
so well with your hat, and I'm loving these little frilly socks.
Thank you. I wanted to really try layering up today.
Amazing. What's your Instagram?
_ Nico Sevilla _
Nico?
Yeah.
Nico.
SEVIL.
Thank you so very much. You guys have a beautiful day. Hi, what's your name?
My name's Cody.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell me about your outfit today?
I got an Alex necklace, vintage Harley Davidson, Aries pants, some ones. Pretty classic.
Let me see
Off-white.
the back of the shirt. I love it. You look fierce. Do you want to go ahead and give your Instagram a shout out?
My Instagram is Cody Calorant. Feel free to follow.
What's your name?
Hey, my name's Flaco.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell me about your outfit? Your coat is so unique.
Thank you. This is a coat from Tango Hotel. I have a vape bag, side accessory,
off-white belt, BBC jeans.
Nice, nice. Can I get the back of your coat as well? That's so dope. And do you have an Instagram?
Flacco_9 and the number 4.
Thank you so very much. Have a good day.
So thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Jeanette.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
I
to
love
meet
your
you.
headscarf.
Thank you so much.
Can you tell me about your outfit today?
Yeah, so I actually got these on Depop, these jeans, and this cardigan as well. This is like vintage undercover.
I love
It's
the
a
cardigan.
Japanese brand. And then this I got from a consignment store on the Upper East. I just really like, especially on a day like today, wearing light layers to make sure that I'm not like cold, but also like still keep it,
Yeah.
you know, not too
Not too
chunky,
thick. Yeah.
you know? Yeah.
And then if it gets chilly, you also have that extra
Yeah, I
layer.
brought a scarf as well.
Nice. Can you show me your jewelry as well?
Yeah.
I love that ring.
Thank
And your
you.
nails as well look
Oh,
so
thank
good.
you so much for Valentine's Day.
And what's your Instagram?
My Instagram is jeans with 4 N's and 2 underscores.
At the end?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so
Thank
very
you so
much. Have a
much.
beautiful day.
Thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Joel.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell me about your outfit today?
Well, I would say the shirt I thrifted like 2 weeks ago.
Mhm.
This black one I actually got at Primark in Jersey. These pants are from Romway and they're extremely cute.
Oh my
I got
gosh,
these
I love the
suspenders.
pants.
I got these suspenders that are Kingdom Hearts themed. I got my Converse on. I got a couple of rings, even some pinky rings on.
And you
a
even
matching-
matched your mask to your outfit.
I did, and in my
Funky.
case as well. So
Who's
all
your
of
case
it,
by?
I do not know. This was another one that I actually got off Shein as well.
Okay, no problem.
And
Can
these
I
are
get-
all extremely cute.
Yes, let me get a close up on your ear accessories too. I love the industrial barbell.
Thank you so much.
And what's your Instagram?
My Instagrams, I have 2.
Okay, no problem.
Is Planet Hoshi, PLANET, HOSHII, and then Hoshi Arcana, which is HOSHIARCANA.
Thank you so very much. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Can you tell me about your outfit today?
I got this from AliExpress, I think. This is from Dolls Kill. This is from Hot Topic. This is also from AliExpress. And I got these from Dolls Kill.
I love it. And do you have an Instagram?
Yeah, Fugly Chick. Fugly and then CHIC.
Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Hi, what's your name?
Pretty boy Lou.
Nice to meet you.
Let's get it ASAP in the building.
All right. Can you tell me about your outfit today?
Alright, so we got the Gucci Supreme lows. Feel me? These shoes go crazy. They're not Supreme the brand, that's the name of the line that Gucci put out with these red bottoms. They're called the
Gotcha.
Supreme lows. They come with the white laces or the red laces.
Nice.
These some custom jeans by my man.
Love
You can look
them.
him up, his name Life of an Outsider.
Life of an Outsider, got it.
BB Simon, original.
I love it. Nice
And
pop.
then this, I don't even know, my girl got it for me.
Okay, no
And then
problem.
the Louis V shades.
And do you have an Instagram you'd like to give out?
Yeah, Pretty Boy Lou, or y'all could Google me at Pretty Boy Lou. I'm a rapper.
All right, thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Hi again, guys. You gotta check him out. He's in my past. What are people wearing? It was like episode, I don't know, 4 or something. All right, tell me about your outfit today.
I mean, I think I had to change last time, but we got the here Ryuk hoodie, Death Note. You know, that's a staple, a classic.
Yes,
And
love that
I
anime.
actually got these demonias from Goodwill.
Yeah, you didn't have these on last time.
Yeah, like
Let me
such
get
a
the
deal,
chain.
such
Let me
a
get the
deal.
chain
Oh
in
yeah, with the
there.
white I added that.
Oh, cool.
So that's about. And then I guess last time did I have the fairy, but it's a screw now.
Oh,
The
wow.
screw through.
Is that supposed to be an earring?
It's like an earring. Of
Oh,
it, yeah.
cool.
But yeah, it's pretty. I think it looks real.
Yeah, it looks dope. Do you want to say your Instagram again?
Sure. Yeah, it's Zenith Chrome. ZENITHCHROME.
Thank you so much.
On Insta, yeah.
What's your name?
I'm Izzy.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell me about your outfit today?
All this description I made these myself. These are all made of like broken. This made out of broken. What's it called? A broken
necklace?
You know, like a chain.
Oh, broken chain.
Yeah,
Got it.
a broken jean chain, and these are made out of a broken necklace and a broken bracelet.
I love it. So unique. And your necklaces? Did you make that one as well?
Oh yeah, I made this one too. I fitted this little charm right here, and I fitted these pearls as well.
Awesome. And did you want to go ahead and give your Instagram a shout out?
My Instagram is Izzy_Tizzy22.
Izzy underscore what?
Tizzy22.
Izzy underscore
Tizzy.
Kitty?
Tizzy.
What is it?
Tizzy. Tizzy.
Tizzy. 22. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.
It's a lot of paper. Yeah. It's like you need to get like stories. Yeah, it's I have
So they put
shelves full of just boxes and boxes.
people's stories out online and into the world.
I'll be able to do it forever. I'll find space.
In your apartment, how much do you have?
I can. So it's a lot, but it's not as much as it might sound like. So it's a lot, but it's like 16 like banker's boxes, like those like filing boxes.
Another 16.
Yeah, I'll find a room. Yeah. Whether I have to shove them under my bed or anywhere else. But
My place is like
I'm in a.
completely packed at this point.
Oh, for sure.
I can't even have another piece of paper.
I moved during the pandemic, and I ended up in somewhere that was like twice the cost and half the space. So that's
all me.
It's all you, right?
Yeah, it's all me. It's all street. It's a straight out of the street.
Ooh, yeah, let me get the pants. Let me get the pants. Let me get the pants. Yes. Go ahead. Give me a little walk. Give me a little walk. Okay. Okay. Killing it. Killing it. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Awesome.
The homeless man, he's a homeless fashion designer. He's in some Brooklyn 33rd Shelton shit. But if y'all want my stuff, then you gotta want it. And they just fucking want pictures for nothing.
Yeah, do you have a cash app you want to give out to my audience at all? Anything like that?
Hashtag, I make all this stuff and I'm homeless. So if you want my stuff, hook me up.
All right, where can we find you?
Probably in the men's shelter. Where's my shit at?
All right,
there.
the address you just
Probably
gave
in the
out
men's shelter,
earlier.
you know what
All
I'm saying?
right, got it.
But I'm the opposite. I'm the opposite of the homeless.
All right, yes, you look amazing.
I've been doing this all my life. I've been looking good all my life.
Yes.
Even on drugs, even when I was on crack, I was looking good.
That's you. I like the colors, man.